All right, GBMC, this is the video to find the winner of Kevin's mini helmet pick 6. So we'll check the time, December 29th at 2:03 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have December 29th at 2:03 p.m. There is the list of we have 40 entries. We're just going to randomize this list, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. I believe that's what it was. Let me just make sure here. One winner. Get back to the top just so I'm telling you the right thing here. Winner gets to pick 6 minis. Okay, so it's one winner. Whoever's on top after the final roll is the winner. We need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Zachary. Spot 34 is your winner. So Zachary, please get with Kevin to select your minis. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, December 29th, 2:04 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.